Namaste everyone, welcome to the class again. Now let us see this 30-second question. Question is p plus q power minus 1 into p power minus 1 plus q power minus 1 is equals to p power a into q power b. We have to prove that a plus b plus 2 is equals to 0. So let us solve this. We have p plus q the whole power minus 1 into p power minus 1 plus q power minus 1 is equals to p power a into q power b. Now this implies that 1 upon p plus q. Here p plus q power minus 1 is 1 upon p plus q into here it is 1 upon p plus 1 upon q is equals to here it is p power a into q power b. So this implies that here I will say that 1 upon p plus q into here we will cross multiply. This is q plus p divided by p into q. Here it is p power a into q power b. Now this p plus q and this q plus p, they are same terms, so cancel. So this implies that 1 upon pq is equals to p power a into q power b. This implies this 1 upon pq, we can write p power minus 1, q power minus 1 is equals to p power a into q power b. So this implies a is equals to minus 1. We will compare the powers of p and q. So I will get a is equals to minus 1 and b is equals to minus 1. Now here we have to prove that a plus b plus 2 is equals to 0. So now we have a plus b plus 2. So the value of a plus b plus 2 is minus 1 plus 2, which is equals to 0. So therefore I will say that a plus b plus 2 is equals to 0. Hence proved. Done? Simple. Okay. Now let us see the next question. This 30-second question we have solved. 33rd question. It is p power minus 1 q power 2 upon p power 2 q power minus 4 the whole power 7 divided by p power 3 q power minus 5 upon p power minus 2 q power 3 the whole power minus 5 is equals to p power x q power y. We have to find the value of x plus y, where p and q are different positive prime numbers. So again here we will simplify left hand side. We have p power minus 1 q power 2 whole divided by p power 2 q power minus 4 and the whole power we have 7. This divided by here we have p power 3 q power minus 5 divided by p power minus 2 q power 3 the whole power minus 5, and we have on right hand side p power x into q power y. Now left hand side I will say that this implies, I will simplify left hand side, it is p power minus 1. So it is p power minus 1 minus 2. This denominator I am moving in the numerator, and similarly this q power 2 and this minus 4 will move up and it will become plus 4. As the base are same, we can calculate the powers, and the whole power we have 7. Similarly here we have p power 3 and this is minus 2, so it will go up and it will become plus 2. Into q power we have minus 5 and this 3 will go up and it will become minus 3. The whole power we have minus 5, and on right hand side we have this is equals to p power x q power y. So this implies now p power, this is here we have p power minus 3, we have q power 6 and the whole power we have 7. that divided by, here we have p power 5 into q power minus 8, the whole power we have minus 5, and here we have p power x into q power y. Now this will become p power 7 3 the minus 21 into q power 6 7 the 42 divided by p power minus 25 into q power 40 is equals to, we have p power x into q power y. Now when there is a division sign, we subtract. So this implies that now p power this minus 21, and I will subtract this minus 25, so it will become plus 25 into q power we have 42, and I will subtract this 40. So this is equals to p power x into q power y. So this is, we have p power x q power y. So this implies minus 21 plus 25 is 4 into q power 42 minus 40 is 2. So p power 4 into q power 2 is equals to p power x into q power y. So this implies the value of x as 4 and the value of y as 2. So x is 4 and y is 2. We have to find the value of x plus y. So therefore here I will say that x plus y is equals to 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. Right? X plus y is equals to 6. This is my answer for x plus y. Now question number 34. We have to solve the following. Now first question is 5 power 2x plus 3 is equals to 1. So first we have to solve 5 power 2x plus 3 is equals to 1. Now whenever we have right hand side 1, or always this 1, I can write any number power 0. So as here we have 5, here I will write this as 5 power 0, and I will compare. So after comparing, I will get 2x plus 3 will be equal to 0, and this indicates the value of 2x as minus 3. This indicates the value of x as minus 3 divided by 2. So we have x is equals to minus 3 divided by 2. First question. Second question, we have 13 power root x is equals to 13 power root x is equals to 4 power 4. Here we have 4 power 4 minus 3 power 4 minus 6. So this is equals to 4 power 4 is 4 for the 16. 16 into 16 is 256. Minus 3 power 4, 3 to the 9, 9 9 the 81. Minus 6 is equals to 256 minus 87. 16 minus 7 is 9. 14 minus 8 is 6. And here 1 is remaining. So here we have 13 power root x, and here we have 169. So I will say that this implies that 13 power root x is equals to, this is 13 power 2. So this implies that this root x is equals to 2. So I will take square on both the sides, and here I will say that this implies x is equals to 4. So value of x is 4. Third question. Here we have root 3 by 5 power x plus 1 is equals to 125 upon 27. So this implies root 3 divided by 5 power x plus 1 is equals to, now here this 125 is 5 power 3 and this 27 is 3 power 3. So this is 5 upon 3 the whole power 3. Left hand side is 3 upon 5. So this implies we have this left hand side as 3 divided by 5 the whole power 1 by 2 into, here we have x plus 1. 3 power 5 divided by 1 by 2 power, and then we have power again x plus 1, so power get multiplied. And here this 5 by 3 I will write as 3 divided by 5, and this sign plus 3 will change to minus 3. When I reciprocate here, this sign will change. So now base is same on both the sides, so therefore what I will say that, therefore I will say that this 1 by 2 into x plus 1 is equals to minus 3. So therefore I have x plus 1 is equals to minus 6. Therefore I have x is equals to minus 6 minus 1 is equals to minus 7. So value of x is minus 7. Third question we have done, and now let us see this fourth question. Fourth question is third root of 4 the whole power 2x plus 1 by 2 is 1 upon 32. Now here again this is 4 power 1 by 3, the whole power we have 2x plus 1 by 2, and on right hand side this 32 I can write as 2 power 5. So this implies, now this 4 power 1 by 3, this 4 can be written as 2 power 2. So this is 2 power 2, and then we have power 1 by 3, so it is multiplied. The whole power we have 2x plus 1 by 2, and here I can write this as 2 power minus 5. In denominator we have 2 power 5, so when it goes in numerator it becomes 2 power minus 5. This implies 2 power, now this is 2 by 3, it is going to be multiplied by 2x plus half, and on right side this is 2 power minus 5. So now as base is same, we will equate the power, so therefore I will say that 2 divided by 3 into 2x plus half is equals to 2 power minus 5. I am equating the power, so here it is minus 5. Therefore I will say that this 2x plus half is equals to minus 5 into 3 divided by 2 is equals to minus 15 divided by 2. Therefore we have 2x is equals to minus 15 divided by 2 minus half is equals to minus 16 divided by 2 is equals to minus 8. So therefore the value of x is minus 8 divided by 2 is equals to minus 4. So therefore we have x is equals to minus 4. We got x is equals to minus 4. Okay, all the 4 problems we have done. Now next 35th question. Solve the following equation for x. So here again the problem is of same type. Now this root p power q can be written as p upon q power 1 by 2 is equals to this q by p. Here it is q by p the whole power 1 minus 2x. Now on right hand side it is q by p, on left hand side it is p by q. So therefore I will change this left hand side. It is your choice, you can change the left hand side or right hand side. Now this p by q power 1 by 2 can be written as q divided by p power minus 1 by 2. Okay, whenever we reciprocate term the power sign will change, and here it is q divided by p power 1 minus 2x. Now on this left hand side we have base as q upon p, base as q upon p. So this base q upon p I will take common, and therefore here I will say that minus 1 by 2 is equals to 1 minus 2x. So this implies that now I will move this minus 2x on left hand side, so it will become plus, and this minus half I will move on right hand side, so it will become plus. So we have 2x is equals to 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 divided by 2. So therefore we have x is equals to 3 divided by 2 into 1 divided by 2 is equals to 3 divided by 4. So the value of x is 3 divided by 4 in the first case. Now let us see this second problem also. The problem is 4 power x minus 1 into 0.5 power 3 minus 2x is equals to 1 upon 8 power 1 by x. So this 4 I can write as 2 power 2 the whole power x minus 1, and this 0.5 I will write 1 by 2 the whole power 3 minus 2x. Okay, as on right hand side we are seeing that 8 is 2 power 3, here 4 is 2 power 2, here 0.5 is 1 upon 2. So it is better that I will convert everything in the base 2 form. So now here on right hand side it is 1 upon 2 power 3 the whole power 1 upon x. This implies, now I will say here this is 2 power 2 into x minus 1 into, here I will say that 2 power, the sign will change, so it will become minus 3, and this minus 2x will become plus 2x is equals to, here it will become 2 power minus 3, and then I will multiply this with 1 upon x. Okay, so power, and then again we have power, so they are multiplied. Now here we have base 2, power is 2x minus 2, and here as we have product, so power will add up, so it is minus 3 plus 2x, and right hand side we have 2 power minus 3 upon x. So this implies that now I will solve the power and equate the power. So 2x plus 2x, it become 4x minus 5 on left hand side, and right hand side it is minus 3 upon x. So this indicates, or I will solve, I will cross multiply, so x into 4x minus 5 is equals to minus 3. So this indicates that 4x square minus 5x plus 3 is equals to 0. Now this is quadratic equation. 4 3s are 12. We have to split 12. 6 2s are 4 3s are. So I think question we have copied wrong. Let me check the question again, and then I'll return to the question. Okay, I have seen the question. In question here, the power is not 1 upon x, and instead of that it is x. So this 1 upon x I will replace by x. So this here it will become power x, here it will be power x, so it become minus 3x minus 3x minus 3x. Now it is easy to solve, there is no quadratic form, so therefore we have 4x plus 3x is equals to, this minus 5 will go on right hand side and it will become plus 5. Therefore 7x is equals to 5. Therefore x is equals to 5 upon 7. So the value of x is 5 upon 7. We got the value of x, 5 upon 7. Now next question, 36th question. here we have 5 power 3x is 125 and 10 power y is 0.001. We have to find x and y. So 5 power 3x is equals to 125. Now this 125 we can write as 5 power 3. So when we compare the base, we will get this 3x is equals to 3 and this gives me x is equals to 1. So I got x is equals to 1. Now here 10 power y, we have 10 power y is 0.001. Now this 0.001 you can write as 1 upon 1000, which is 1 upon 10 power 3, which is 10 power minus 3. So 10 power y is equals to 10 power minus 3. This implies y is equals to minus 3. So x is 1 and y is minus 3. What we have to calculate? We have to find x and y. So we have done. Now next question, question number 37. Okay, question number 37. Fine. Here we have 9 power n into 3 power 2 into 3 power n minus 27 power n upon 3 power 3m into 2 power 3 is equals to 1 upon 27. We have to find, or we have to prove that m is equals to 1 plus n. Okay. So here I will start solving. Now 9 I can write as 3 power 2. Then the whole power we have n into here we have 3 power 2 into here we have 3 power n minus this 27 I can write 3 power 3 and then we have whole power n. Divide by here also it is 3 power 3m into 2 power 3 is equals to here 1 upon it is 3 power 3. So here we will simplify. Here it is, therefore I will say that 3 power, now this is 2n, it is multiplied by 3 power 2, so I will add that power, and here it is multiplied by 3 power n, so I will add this power, minus 3 power, here I have 3n, whole divided by, here I have 3 power 3m into 2 power 3. 2 power 3 is 8, we can write simply 8 in place of 2 power 3 is equals to, this is 3 power minus 3. So therefore I have 3 power, now this is 3n plus 2 minus 3 power 3n whole divided by, this is 3 power 3m into 8 is equals to, here it is 3 power minus 3. Now this 3 power 3n I can take common. This therefore actually this can be written as 3 power 3n into 3 power 2 minus 3 power 3n whole divided by 3 power 3m into 8 is equals to, here it is 3 power minus 3. Now this 3 power 3n we will take common, 3 power 3n. So here inside we have 3 power 2 minus nothing, so I will write 1 here, divided by, this is 3 power 3m. On right hand side here we have 3 power minus 3. So into 8 is also here. So therefore here it is 3 power 3n upon 3 power 3m. Now here in numerator we have 3 power 3 is 9, 9 minus 1 is 8, and here also 8. So this 8 will cancel, and here we have 3 power minus 3. So therefore we have 3 power 3n minus 3m. is equals to 3 power minus 3. So therefore we get 3n minus 3m equal to minus 3. Now 3 I can take common and cancel. So here I take 3 common, so it is n minus m is equals to, this is minus 3. So therefore this gives me n minus m is equals to minus 1. I will divide by 3. What I have to prove? We have to prove that m is equals to n plus 1. So m is equals to n plus 1. So this minus m I will move right. So here I will get n plus 1 is equals to m. Or I will say that therefore m is equals to n plus 1. M is equals to n plus 1. This is question number 37. One more question we will take, question number 38. So I will consider this as last question for today. 3 power 4x is equals to 81 power minus 1. So here it is 3 power 4x is equals to, here it is 80 power minus 1. Now this 81 can be written as 3 power 4. So this is 3 power 4 minus 1. So this is 3 power actually minus 4, and here it is 3 power 4x. So when we compare, we get therefore 4x is equals to minus 4. Therefore x is equals to minus 1. So value of x is minus 1. And on the side we have 10 power 1 upon y is equals to 0.0001. Now this 0.0001 is 1 upon 1, 2, 3. Actually if it is 0.1, we have 1 upon 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will put 4 zeros. This is 10 power 1 upon y. So therefore we have 10 power 1 upon y is equals to, now this I can write as 10 power. Actually this is 10 power 4. So when it goes up, it will become 10 power minus 4. So therefore the value of 1 upon y is minus 4. Therefore value of y is minus 1 upon 4. Okay, you cross multiply and simplify, you will get the value of y. Now we have to find the value of 2 power minus x into 16 power y. So now 2 power minus x into 16 power y is equals to 2 power minus x. So x is minus 1, so minus x 1 will become 2 power plus 1 into 16 power y. The y is minus 1 upon 4. So this is 2 into, this is 2 power 4, the whole power minus 1 upon 4. So this is 2 into, this is 2 power minus 4 into 1 upon 4. This will cancel and it become 2 power 2 into 2 power minus 1. So this is 2 into 2 power minus 1 is 1 upon 2, and then this 2 will cancel, and finally I have result as 1. So the value of this 2 power minus x into 16 power y is 1. Okay, so we stop our lecture here. In the next class we will see few more questions. I hope you are understanding all the problems, you are solving it, practicing it. Practice only makes you perfect in the mathematics subject, right? Practice. Okay, so keep on practicing. Thank you.